Hello, good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day. It's the second day of March. It's Monday, first day of the week, and I'm currently working. I started at 5 a.m., early morning work, and I am an ESL tutor. I've been teaching or tutoring for tutoring. I've been doing this job for the past 13 years already, and I am quite satisfied and happy. So, if you have any questions on how to be an ESL tutor, you can drop me a message or comment down below. And by the way, can you please comment down below as where you are watching so that I would be able to greet you. So I don't have any makeup or thing because I woke up at around 4:30 and my first lesson was at 5 a.m. So I will have another class for today, and this is my second lesson at 5:30 a.m. So welcome to my channel. Ako si Antoinette. So if you haven't subscribed or followed my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please do so. I'll be very happy to see your name on my followers and subscribers list. Okay, so I'll be back. I'll have my second lesson actually. So thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe, or follow my YouTube channel and Facebook page, Posse Antoinette. See you! Hi everyone. I just finished my second lesson, and fortunately my third slot was not booked, so it's closed. So I have 30 30 minute break for today. So I will have my coffee for now and enjoy some Christian music. Okay, so let's play it first and then let's go downstairs and drink coffee. Okay, let me play the song first. Okay, just a moment. All I am is dust without you, broken heart. Every piece belongs to you. Strip away all pride until I'm truly free. I really love that song so much. I first heard that during the IDC conference. It's really, really inspiring. Go, let's drink coffee. Hello everyone. So, it's already morning and makabitag bintana na ako sa Obus. Magtimpla tag coffee para mas hayag-hayag. Okay? Okay, so makabinatas bintana. It's already morning. There. Cloudy day. Morning everyone. So, let's open the window. Ilan sa tamak open. Ang kada lang sa curtain na to ablihan. There. It's morning na. See, muna yung gawas na. It's a parking area sa PAO. Excellent School. Before, wala pa na siya ali. Okay, magkapita. Hayag kaayo because suga na siya. Dito, without turn it off. There you go. Mas better siya. So, let's have coffee. By the way, mani akong coffee akong recommend. The perfect blend. This is from Anything Coffee. Just scan this para makadto ka sa ilahang page. Ganahan ko siya yung humot. It's a single origin dark roast. Here. So I like my coffee black, no cream, no sugar. Smells so good. Ano siya ko ang here. So I will dito akong tubig. Pabukas akong tubig and then I'll show you how I do it. Okay? Okay, so let me now show you how I prepare my coffee. Tingin ko sa takadyo. So, this is glass. Actually, mug din akong gamiton. But, since I don't have a clear mug, kani lang sa. And then, I have this. My cousin gave this to me. Kani siya. Okay, wala man ko coffee maker, so kani. So, there. So, I'll place it on top. Then, I have my coffee filter. And then, I just place it there. Okay. And then, see? Muna siya set up. And then, of course, the perfect blend coffee by Anything. So, you can scan that and thank you so much, Kasim. Naghatag-an as Christmas gift. Tapos sana wala ko'y kilay, wala ko'y makeup or something. So, humutid ko siya. I really love the smell of this coffee. So, humut. Let me start those. So, let's put several tablespoons on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang, kaya di ko ganang pait kaayo. I don't like it so too bitter. Yeah, because I like my coffee black with no cream and sugar. Ito na siya. And then, ako ibali ang camera so that you could see how I do it. Okay? Okay, so there. Muna na siya. Muna siya. So, I'll show you. I'm gonna pour coffee. So, hinay-hinay lang o pour. Actually. So, ako itong nylon spout. Mag-drip na siya. There. So, see? Nag-drip na siya. So, let's just wait for a couple of minutes. Transfer ako na siya sa mug later. There is dripping. Tama? So nice. Ito siya tanang fresh coffee. Okay, as you can see, wala na. And there. It's stopped. And kana siya. I-transfer na to siya dire. Kaya dadun ako ni sa taas. Yan na siya cover. So, let's transfer it now. Okay, so, kinda init. So, init good. Oops, wait. I'll just pour it over. Okay, mabisig ko. There. Natay. Freshly brewed coffee. So, ito na siyang kagayan. Ito. Coffee. Ito na i-open kay para mo. And then, palisan ako kamote. Okay, so we're back. Diri sa akong workstation. So, pabugnaon sa na to ang coffee kay medyo init siya. So, while doing that, magpapatagamay kay murag wag gid kilay way lipstick watanan. So, plain bare face. So, medyo hanap pananaw mas wakoy glasses. So, let's start with the kaning powder. So, simple lang dako ka nang basta di lang magsinaw akong naong. So, I think I'm good. Basta di siya magsinaw, okay na ko ana. So, just powder a bit para lang makover ang mga kanang oily spots to skin. I don't put on too much makeup actually. Kamay ra gyud. Na basta di lang magsinaw, okay na ko ana kaning mga T-zones, mga cheekbone area. Kana siya. Pero mo gani siya ang usually sinaw. Kani nga part ug kani nako sinaw kay na siya pit me. Okay. There. Okay na siya. And then, mangilay ta. So, actually, kada kong kilay, pag kilay baratuhon rin siya. I bought this Mercado for like 50 pesos only. This is just very cheap. Siya brandless. No brand actually. So, pasensya na kasi nagbibisaya ako and then English and sometimes Tagalog because I know na my viewers are from Cebu, from Manila, and some are even nasa Agawas. So, mangilay ta, I'm really not that expert sa pagkilay. So, if you have any suggestions or tips on how I would do the right ways pagkilay, you could comment down below. I really would appreciate it a lot, even if bash pa ko ninyo. Okay, so let's start. So I'll start from the edge here. That's how I do it. By the way, I'm praying for those na naa sa UAE karon. Just saw that yesterday sa news about what's going on right now, and na ako'y mga relatives dito and some friends. I'm really praying for their safety kay I know dili lalim the fear of kaninani ba? Kani bitawng gira. So inana siya. Kay ako pa nang i-brush. So di na ko siya i-fold tanan kanila nga part diri. Okay. So if say pa kong gibuhat, please teach me. I am willing to learn. Kay din ka expert. So let's do the second one. I really envy people na born with baga nga kilay. Ako maura gid na murag. Medyo ko na ala naputol siya so magtahaltam. Mura ni siya akong dili ganahan ani because dali na kay siya maputol. Yeah. So mag-sharpen na pud siya. So sharpener ni siya nga para sa lapis. It's just an ordinary sharpener actually. So yeah, muna akong gigamit. Para matahal. There. See? So let's continue. Nanira ko mangilay. Okay. I'm not really that expert though. Sa pagkilay-kilay. So ana ra. So di na ko i-fill tanan because ako pa siyang i-spread later. Okay? Ana ra. And then i-spread ko na siya. So I don't know nakalimaw ba. And I'm using kaning brush sa old nga pagkilay. This is kanang so ako na siya i-spread there. Mura na siya. That's it. That's it, pansit. Bitaw. Going back, praying for my relatives o friends nga naa dito sa UAE. What you could expect may tabo na sa UAE. Peaceful kina sila nga place and then karon na ana. Okay. There. Is it better na akong now nga naanay kilay? Sige, di na magid ng kalimo. So, mura na siya. And a little lipstick. Kani nga lipstick na ko 2-in-1. Lip tint daw ni siya. Kani. But I am not using the lip tint. Kay, di ko ba mo gamit. So, kani lang. Para lang mupuwa ang kilay. So, I don't have any blush on. If you notice. So, okay, dali na kay ko kanina ito mag-irritate ako skin, magburot-burot na. So, there. And, there you go. There. I feel better na. Not too red. And, there. So, I will do my hair later. I have very long hair na gyud. So, if tara mo naman siya gamay, kutob siya diri. But, the truth is, if I take it off, see, my hair is really long na gyud. Kutob na siya diri. So, I'm going to do my hair, and then, after this, I'm gonna drink coffee, and then, mag-prepare ko later. So, this is how I do it every morning. Our usual lesson is 5 a.m. So I wake up at around 4 or 4:30. I will have my quick and short devotional. I'm using Our Daily Bread for my daily devotions. And so now I still have 30 minutes more to go. Another 30 minutes actually because no one booked my 6:30 a.m. schedule. So I have 2 slots that were closed, 6 and 6:30. So 7, it's already reserved. I have reserve lesson for 7. So since I do have a lot of time, I'm going to fix my hair, and then after that probably watch some YouTube videos. So I'll be back, and then I'll be drinking my coffee. Okay?
Sometimes you think calling a massage parlor is okay because it is not, any relationship. It's just lust of the flesh. That's not so. That's where you need to have a desire for purity. Why am I sharing this? Because I know what it means. Because once upon a time, I failed in that area also. You need to guard your heart. And you need to grow. So real faith is what? Devotion. How do you have devotion to God? Whole heart. Next, submissive heart and a sanctified heart. Notice what the Bible tells us. Pursue peace with all men. And the sanctification without which no one will see the Lord. Do you notice this command? Pursue. Keep on pursuing. Take it seriously with all your energy. What will you pursue? Not just peace, but the sanctification without which no one will see.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. So, Hokkaido, they offer beautiful skiing spots. I see. So, not only locals would go there, but also tourists as well. Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's nice. Must be very expensive. Yeah, that's right. As what you just mentioned, I'm imagining that place to be a very beautiful ski resort in Hokkaido. I see. When was the last time that you went there? Oh, just recently. I see. Skiing is really your passion. That's wonderful. That's wonderful to hear. So I'm imagining like every year you would go there just to ski. I see. I see. Okay, thank you everyone. I'm done sa ko ang morning lesson. So very tumal, 3 out of 10 ang nibok. Nawa ako lipstick na. But anyway, pahulay sa ta, I have 1 hour and a half break, and then I'll be back by 11 na pod until 4 p.m. for my afternoon teaching teaching spree. Bitaw. So rest at ta, and then household chores for a bit, and balik ta later. So if you have questions di ay about ESL work, about work from home job, you can just comment down below, and don't forget to share this video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow this Facebook page. Ako si Antoinette. So thank you so much for your support. God bless you all.